The next color I'm gonna grab is going to be, you know what? I can't. I try to be cute. It's not possible. Lala just ain't a cute bitch. All right, now we got that out the way. Hi everyone, I'm Lalabad. Welcome today on another episode of Respect or Reject. I am reviewing this palette here. This is the 35C Everyday Chic Morphe palette. If you don't know, let me just show you real quick. There she go right there. This is her color story. And if you're interested in seeing how I got these looks and my thoughts on this palette, and if we should respect or reject it, then definitely stay tuned. Get into it. Two looks. So let me just tell you what I did over here to start off with this look on this side. This is a brown green look that I'm gonna do. I put some concealer and then I just got my powder brush and dipped it into the whitest color in this palette just to set my eye, this one right here. And then I grabbed this for transition and I put that right here, leaving the space here. And I put that here going like that. So that's what I've done. That's what I've done so far. All right, so I'm going to go into this color here. Now on camera, it looks cooler. And in person, it looks like a warm color. So we'll see if that'll work out for me. And I'm going to put that like right under the transition color. These colors, I want to say that these shadows are so, I feel like they're delicate to even blend out. I just like, I don't know, it's just, I don't know if that, it's just so delicate. They're kind of like suede, or that's what they feel like when I was swatching them. And so I'm just barely like swiping, and look how it's just blending out so beautifully. I don't know if this is a different formula. But whatever they're doing, I hope they continue to do it. Because if they do, then they definitely have a customer over here. Just keep her right here so I can just swipe. Alright, moving on. I'm going to go into this dark brown they have in here. Now this dark brown, I'm going to just put it here on the screen because I'm tired of picking up this big old palette. Morphe palettes, they're huge, right? So that's what she looked like on the brush. And I'm gonna put her right here. Ooh, you see what I'm saying? Like I barely had anything on the brush, and I'm just putting it on, and then I'm putting it right under this one. So there's layers. There's dark, medium, light. I'm gonna grab this green because it just looks so pretty. Oh. And I'm gonna put that like right under here. You see where I'm putting it? Right next. So I'm just patting it. And then swipe. Right under that transition still. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh. Now you see, like it's not the shape that I want here. So I'm gonna get back into that brown right here. There you go. There we go. just wipe it off so I can blend it up and it can get lighter, like a gradient. And the shimmer we're gonna pick up with my favorite brush of all time. Of course, I have to. This green shimmer. Let me show you what this brush does, okay? So you know what I'm talking about. So pretty. I'm gonna grab this. It's like it looks like a green, like a icy green. And I'm gonna put that like right here. Kind of just pat it on top. Yeah. And I'm going to grab, kind of looks like a silver, and do my signature look that I always do. Just draw the inner, because I don't like to do my inner corner. I think that's old. I think it's boring. And it just doesn't look right on me. But I'm gonna go over the edge of that green. Just bring it out like that. Oh, I love the way that looks. Grab some more. Not enough. Okay, with y'all know with eyeliner and mascara it's gonna look bomb. So let me go do that. I'll be right back. All right, so here is this eye. All right, so let's get started on the other eye. I primed it exactly the same way. Concealer, the lightest shade in the palette. I'm gonna go into the color Getting Ready. It looks like a taupe-ish color. I'm gonna put that here and use that as right under my brow. Very lightly. Bring it to the bridge of my nose. Just like that. That purple. Playtime. And I'm going to bring her right under that. She's pretty. She's so pretty. Like, you're really pretty. So delicate. These shadows, I'm telling you, it just makes you want, it just makes you feel delicate. I believe the color is called Total Mood. It's a fuchsia looking color. Put that right under that. Alright, and I don't want to lose that color, so that purple, so I'm going to again go over it and kind of buff out that pink's edge. But because I am who I am and I need a little smoke in there, we're going to add some smoke. I'm thinking I'm going to go into Enthralled. And I'm going to put that like right here. Kind of on the line. And then I'm going to bring her up kind of like a liner. And then I'm going to do a shimmer because I do need a shimmer on this side. I do need it. We live to shine, don't we, ladies? Fancy this. And I'm going to just put it right here. Ooh. Ooh. Me lucky. What did I tell you about this brush? Girl, honey, I can't stop. I gotta put more. I'm gonna grab this color up here. This is called Cheers to You, the first color in the palette. Oh, she white. And I'm gonna go over with my signature. Let me wet her because she's not showing up. Ooh. 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 Oh, girl. I'm gonna bring her in here too a little bit more. Just like in the inner corner V. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Ooh. Alright, everyone. So here is the purple look that I got from this palette. So here are my thoughts. Respect or reject this shadow palette. Let me tell you what I like about this palette. The mattes in this palette are so delicate. I love the mattes in this palette. The shimmers are buttery. They're soft. They're not chunky. I like that. They're not dry. I like that. I like that there's only one glitter. Lately, a lot of palettes have been coming out with so much glitter in there, and it just turns me off. It keeps me from buying them. So I'm glad that they did give you the option for glitter, but it's just one option. So thanks for that. When I first saw this, I thought that it was shimmer heavy, but I feel like they're really good colors. I love the color story. I love that it's different. It's like pastel, but then there's dark colors. So I really, really dig that. If Morphe continues this formula on their shadows, I will continue to buy for sure. The cons in this palette would be that one glitter. It's there. You could have gave me something else. The other con that I have in here would be these two last colors. I want to say they're like that creamy to matte. You know that creamy to matte that Natasha Denona does? It even feels like that. I just don't like it. They're kind of patchy and I don't like it. And people keep trying to copy her formula, and I'm gonna say people need to stop. Just stop it. Stop it right now. Stop. Let her have that. Leave her. Stop trying to copy her. Y'all not gonna get it down. Leave it alone. The packaging feels really cheap. I want to say that this I mean, it's just, I don't know, it just feels super cheap, the plastic. That would be another con. Other than that, this is a good one. So I'm going to say we should respect this palette. That's my finding. I need a judge gavel. Gavel? Is that the right word? Alright, everyone, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below which side was your favorite. And are you going to be picking this up? And have you picked it up? Alright, let's go.